morning. Welcome to LSST News. I'm here with Roxanne with exciting news.
Good morning. We have an exciting new contest coming up, and it's a breakfast recipe contest, and anybody, every grade can join in on this contest. But just like any other contest, there are rules. First rule is your recipe must have 7 or less ingredients. The meal must be able to be prepared in less than 1 hour, and your recipes must be turned in by February 16th. Turn your recipe in at the sanitation part at the gym. And I just want to say good luck to everybody out there. And then here is the form that you're all going to be filling out with your recipes. And I hope to see some really great, exciting stuff.
Thank you.